For work, study, or entertainment on the go, having the right device makes all the difference. The best tablet computer offers a perfect balance of portability, performance, and versatility, ensuring smooth multitasking and an immersive user experience anywhere. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Amazon Fire HD Tablet Computer. The Amazon Fire HD tablet computer is designed for people who want entertainment, productivity, and portability in one lightweight device. With 25% faster performance than the previous model and 3 GB RAM, this tablet makes streaming, reading, and gaming seamless. It has a 10.1-inch 1080p Full HD display, perfect for binge-watching shows or enjoying games with rich colors and clarity. Battery life is also impressive, lasting up to 13 hours on a single charge, so you can watch, read, or browse longer without constant recharging. Storage options include 32 GB or 64 GB, with the ability to expand up to 1 TB using a microSD card, making it ideal for storing large amounts of media. The design is thin, light, and highly durable, with strengthened aluminosilicate glass that has been tested to be 2.7 times more durable than the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2022. For video calls, the 5MP front-facing camera provides smooth connectivity through Zoom or social apps like TikTok and Instagram. It's also compatible with the made-for-Amazon Stylus Pen, which offers 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity, giving you a natural writing and sketching experience for note-taking or creative projects. Amazon has even introduced smart tools that help with summarizing web pages, creating unique wallpapers, and drafting emails. Number 2. HiGrace 10-inch Tablet Computer. The HiGrace 10-inch tablet computer is a versatile option that balances power, portability, and multimedia features. Equipped with an advanced A523 octa-core processor running up to 2.0 GHz and powered by Android 15, this tablet ensures smooth multitasking, whether you're handling work apps, watching videos, or playing games. It stands out with its impressive memory setup: 24 GB RAM, 4 GB plus 20 GB Smart RAM, paired with 128 GB ROM, expandable up to 1 TB via a TF card. This ensures fast app performance and plenty of space for files, media, and apps. For communication and casual photography, it features dual cameras, a 5-megapixel front and an 8-megapixel rear with autofocus and flash, suitable for video conferences and everyday snapshots. The 10.1-inch IPS display with 800 by 1280 resolution delivers clear visuals, while Widevine L1 certification unlocks true HD content on Netflix and Disney+, turning the tablet into a portable entertainment hub. Dual speakers provide rich audio, and the dual microphones ensure clear voice quality for calls and online meetings. Connectivity is future-proofed with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4, ensuring fast, stable connections. Number 3. WXUNJA 11-inch Tablet Computer. The WXUNJA 11-inch tablet computer is built for users seeking a balance of affordability and strong functionality. It runs on the Unisoc T606 octa-core processor combined with the latest Android 15 OS, providing smooth operation for everyday apps, browsing, and even some gaming. This ensures that multitasking is handled efficiently, allowing users to switch between apps without lag. The storage capacity is another strong point, offering 12 GB RAM, 6 GB physical plus 6 GB expansion, and 128 GB ROM, with additional support for up to 1 TB via SD card. This makes it perfect for storing movies, photos, games, and other large files without worrying about space. The 11-inch display with 1280 by 800 resolution brings crisp visuals and is further enhanced by Widevine L1 certification, allowing HD streaming from Netflix, YouTube, and similar platforms. The clarity and brightness of the screen makes it enjoyable for media consumption on the go. battery life is robust, with an 8,000 mAh battery offering 8 to 10 hours of playback per charge, supported by 18W PD fast charging. This is excellent for users who need longer runtime without constant charging interruptions. The design is portable and sleek, making it ideal for travel, students, or anyone who enjoys entertainment away from home. Number 4. Jeazans 64GB Tablet Computer. The Jeazans 64GB tablet computer offers a premium experience at a fraction of the price of high-end tablets, making it a budget-friendly yet highly functional option. Running Android 14, it delivers smooth multitasking performance thanks to its 8-core processor and combination of 3GB RAM with 9GB of expandable virtual memory. With 64GB internal storage and support for up to 1TB via TF card, it provides ample space for apps, media, and files. What makes this tablet especially appealing is its all-in-one kit, which includes a Bluetooth keyboard, mouse, protective case, and stylus. This turns the device into a portable notebook, making it a versatile solution for both productivity and entertainment. Whether you need it for office work, online classes, or streaming, the Jeazans tablet adapts easily. The 10-inch IPS display with 800 by 1280 resolution delivers crisp visuals and vibrant colors, making it enjoyable for watching movies or reading. Its lightweight design enhances portability, so you can carry it with ease anywhere you go. For connectivity, it supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4, ensuring faster speeds and stable connections. Number 5. HiGrace 14GB RAM Tablet Computer. The HiGrace 14GB RAM tablet computer is designed for users who demand speed, smooth performance, and a great multimedia experience. It features an 11-inch display with a 1280 by 800 resolution, producing sharp visuals and accurate colors. With Widevine L1 certification, users can enjoy HD playback on platforms like Netflix, giving it an edge over basic tablets when it comes to entertainment. The device runs on the latest Android 14 OS, optimized for performance, privacy, and security, ensuring a modern and safe experience. Its octa-core processor, paired with 14GB RAM, ensures seamless multitasking and smooth handling of large apps or games. Storage starts at 64GB, but can be expanded up to 1TB with a TF card, allowing you to store plenty of media and files without running out of space. For connectivity, it supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, providing faster, more stable wireless performance for browsing, streaming, or connecting peripherals. The 6800 mAh battery is another strong feature, delivering extended usage for browsing, gaming, or media playback throughout the day. Combined with fast charging support, downtime is minimized, and you can quickly get back to work or entertainment. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.